Hello friends, welcome to my channel Dream Power. Now today I am going to show you the top 5 effects in Adobe After Effects. Now let's start the video. First of all, in number 1 is gradient ramp. This is a cool effect. To make this effect, go to new and go to solid and take a white solid, click OK, then go to effects and presets panel. Now search for ramp effect. Here is the gradient ramp. With this gradient ramp effect, you can make a professional background. With this effect, you can make a professional background like this. You can change the color also here. The color and one. There it was the gradient ramp. With this gradient ramp, you can also change this color also as you need. Here it is. And now second effect is CC ball action. CC ball action is effect to make balls animation like here. First of all, take a color solid, which color you want. I am taking this color. Click on OK. Then go to effects and presets panel and search for CC ball action and drag it on here. Now you can see and now increase the scatter amount here, and the ball will increase and decrease the ball size, spacing, keep it 3, so not 3, and make the ball a little smaller. Okay. Now you can animate this CC effect. Like your own. So it was the CC ball action effect. Now let's go jump into the 3 effect. Number 3. Okay, number 3 is a fast blur effect. Fast blur effect helps to blur your image like here. Go to select the image and search as fast blur and drag the effect in your picture. Now you can blur the picture as your own. Here it is. The fast blur effect is a cool effect to blur your image on your own. Here it is, the fast blur effect. Okay, now let's jump into the 4. Number 4 is a CC particle world. CC particle world helps you to make particle effect like this. Go to effects and presets panel and search for CC particle world. All those effects are built in Adobe After Effects. You do not have to buy anything. Here it is, the CC particle effect. You can increase the or decrease the amount, and you can make animation with this particle effect. You can change this physics also, physics particles. Or you can do anything with this particular effect. There it was. Now let's jump to the number 5. Okay, now number 5 is the curves effect. It is a cool effect. The effect is my favorite effect. Just drag in the effect in your picture and you can control your colorization of the picture. Like this, just move it as you want, and you can change the color or modify the color as you want. The curves effect. So it is a cool effect in Adobe After Effects, built-in effect. You do not have to buy this 5 effect. You can try this effect in your own and enjoy this effect with your video footage and photos. That's all of my top 5 effects in Adobe After Effects. Thank you for watching my video. If you like my video, please subscribe to my channel and please give a small like on it. Thank you.